Tesla AI leader Andrej Karpathy announces he's leaving the company. Andrej Karpathy, Tesla AI and Autopilot chief, announced his departure from the electric vehicle manufacturer on Wednesday. Hi, welcome to Eco Electric, where you'll be getting all the latest news, updates, and stories concerning Tesla, Rivian, Cadillac, and more. If you enjoy our content, support us by giving this video a like and why not subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so you'll be the first to know each time we release a new video. It's been a great pleasure to help Tesla towards its goals over the last 5 years and a difficult decision to part ways, Karpathy wrote on Twitter. In that time, Autopilot graduated from lane keeping to city streets, and I look forward to seeing the exceptionally strong Autopilot team continue that momentum. Karpathy added, I have no concrete plans for what's next, but look to spend more time revisiting my long-term passions around technical work in AI, open source, and education. In response, CEO's Elon Musk complimented Karpathy for his efforts. Karpathy, who had just taken a months-long vacation from Tesla, was in charge of a team of senior machine learning scientists and engineers. According to federal data released last month, Tesla vehicles have accounted for nearly 70% of recorded incidents involving advanced driver assistance systems since June 2021. Officials cautioned that the data was insufficient and was not intended to demonstrate which carmakers' technologies were the safest. Musk assured Tesla fans in late 2016 that a self-driving car capable of driving from Los Angeles to New York without the need for a single touch would be available by the end of 2017. Musk raised billions of dollars for Tesla in 2019 by telling investors that by the end of 2020, the business will have 1 million robo-taxi-ready cars on the road. In 2019, he again cautioned investors, sometimes I'm not on time, but I get it done. The business has yet to complete a coast-to-coast autonomous vehicle demonstration. Instead, Tesla provides driving assistance features like traffic-aware cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and computerized navigation. Even Tesla's most sophisticated experimental package, known in the United States as the full self-driving beta system, requires a human driver to be vigilant to the road with hands on the wheel and ready to take over the driving task at any time. Karpathy's resignation comes on the heels of the shutdown of a Tesla office in San Mateo, California, where data annotation teams were assisting the business in improving its driver assistance technology. According to California Employment Development Department data, 229 employees were fired from that office. Karpathy, who had the position of Senior Director of AI, operated out of Tesla's former Palo Alto headquarters and reported directly to Elon Musk. With Karpathy gone, do you think the AI department of Tesla will be able to manage or do well without him? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We're waiting for you down there. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this one coming in the future. See you later.